Hello, wonderful listeners. Welcome back to our podcast channel, your companion to the journey of happiness and success. I am Vidhi, your host, and today we are going to do a deep discussion into our intertwined themes of happiness and success. Topic for today is all about finding happiness and achieving success, two interconnected aspects of life, but many of us strive for. So, Dr. Sonal ma'am, what are your thoughts on the relationship between happiness and success?
Happiness and success is actually two sides of the same coin. One supports the other. If we are successful, we derive happiness out of it. And if we are happy, then success automatically follows. So, they are two sides of the same coin and we should experience them holistically. Then only life will be richer and more beautiful.
How to approach them holistically?
Happiness leads to success. So, you need to be first clear that what success means to you, right? Because what success means to me might not be to you or to somebody else. Success is a relative concept. What success is for me might not be for anyone else. And what success is for me will definitely give me happiness. So, we need to be very clear our understanding about success, and happiness will derive out of it. But if we start following others blindly, then we will be just running to an unknown destination we are not clear about, and there will be no happiness in that journey. So, to enjoy success and happiness together, what is important is the clarity of mind, that what these mean to you. And it should not be copy pasted from anybody else's mantra. The mantra should emerge out of you, because your happiness is your happiness and your success is your success. So they should mean that to you, and you should not copy somebody else's meaning onto your journey. Your journey is your journey, right?
You're absolutely right, ma'am. I have seen in social media so much of influencers show their lifestyle and consider it as success. They're like setting a dream for a middle class person, for their profit's sake, of course. What do you think on it? That is that actual success that they show us?
Here all the problem lies. That's why with social media, digital media becoming so powerful, our rate of depression is also increasing. Because there is one group of people who are loving to flaunt, they are flaunting. And there's another group of people at the receiving end who are watching this and feeling sad about their life. But the perspective of both the people are different. Their requirements are different. We are all in this journey of life and we have all come to fulfill our own soul agenda, which we want to achieve. For me, happiness might be family. For me, happiness might be in serving. For me, happiness might not be that particular car or that particular house or whatever. So just by seeing others, if I create that in my mind, then I am actually running on a wrong path, right? So even if I achieve that, that will not give me happiness and success. I'll realize sooner or later that this was not for me. So it is important that you should be clear with your own idea, your own importance of things in life, and work towards that.
In that journey of success, there are so many failures. It may be possible that success stops because of the failures and you lose all the hopes and cut down all the happiness. How can one deal with the feeling of failure?
First thing you need to be clear about is life is not a sprint. It's not a 100-meter race. It's actually a marathon. You are on a long journey. आप लंबी रेस के घोड़े हो, शॉर्ट टर्म के नहीं हो. और जब हम लंबे रेस पे जाते हैं ना तो कभी ऊंचा कभी नीचा आता ही रहता है. जो व्हील है वो कभी ऊपर जाती है कभी नीचे जाती है. So we have to deal with the entire thing holistically. And these small episodes, one-time episode, which we call as failure, quote unquote, they basically are experiences. They basically are lessons. They basically are our sounding board, our lighthouse, our guiding light. They tell us कि भाई this is working, this is not working. We should basically take cues out of them so that we can improve our journey. And we should, one thing should remain constant in that entire journey is happiness. Whether we are at the top of the wheel or at the bottom, पोजीशन हमारी जहाँ पे भी हो, हैप्पीनेस इंटैक्ट रहना चाहिए. और हैप्पीनेस तब इंटैक्ट रहता है जब होप अलाइव रहता है. और होप तब अलाइव रहता है जब हम अपनी लाइफ को मैराथन की तरह देखते हैं, स्प्रिंट की तरह नहीं देखते. जब हमें पता है कि अभी तो बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, रास्ता बहुत बाकी है. तो जब हमें पता है कि भाई सो मच ऑफ अनफोल्डिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन, तो छोटे छोटे एपिसोड्स को लेके हम क्यों इतने स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हो रहे हैं. लेट्स एंजॉय दिस, बिकॉज ये वापस आए ना आए, ये जो हमने सेटबैक एक्सपीरियंस किया है शायद वापस ना आए. तो लेट मी एंजॉय दिस एक्सपीरियंस एज वेल. एंड व्हेन वी टैकल द एंटायर जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ with this constant happiness in place, then life becomes successful automatically, whether you are at the top or you are at the bottom. Because success is a progressive realization of a worthy goal. It is progressive. It is not one time. It is going on and on. And it is realization. It is internal. It's not something you're announcing to the world with a trumpet. It is your own feeling. To the world, you might be a failure, but to yourself, if you feel that you have given the best shot and what lessons you've learned out of it is going to do wonders in your future journey, you're sorted. So it's a progressive realization of a worthy goal. Your life script, your purpose in life, your soul agenda, you're walking towards that. So if you take this hand in hand, success and happiness, then life becomes very beautiful.
Everyone has been working for the day, living today from a long time. For example, if I am doing this as much today, I have achieved it from a long time. This is like the stepping stones which I am achieving. And now I feel happy because of it. And because I feel happy, and after the whole discussion, can I consider it as success as of now?
Of course, of course. You are the most successful person ever. Because जितने भी लोग उस रेस में दौड़ रहे हैं, वो किस लिए दौड़ रहे हैं? क्योंकि वो कुछ पाना चाहते हैं और वो satisfied नहीं है. And you feel you are satisfied, so you're done deal. You're there already. Because अल्टीमेटली आपका कॉम्पिटिटर कौन है? अल्टीमेटली आप किस यार्डस्टिक से अपने आप को जज कर रहे हो? आपकी खुद की यार्डस्टिक से, आपका खुद के मेजरमेंट से आप चेक कर रहे हो कि वेदर यू हैव अचीव्ड इट और नॉट. इफ इंटरनली यू आर फीलिंग satisfied, if internally you are feeling that you have achieved it, then you have achieved it. And then if life has more to offer, it will offer. Life will continue. Till the time you take the last breath, it will continue and will keep moving on. But what is important is this inner feeling. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपने achieve कर लिया है तो आपने कर लिया है. Why you are looking at others? Because if you look at others, then it's a never ending story. आप अगर पूरी दुनिया को भी जीत लोगे तो भी ऊपर के प्लैनेट्स रह जाएंगे जीतने के लिए. चांद रह जाएगा, मार्स रह जाएगा, जुपिटर रह जाएगा. किसको किसको जीतोगे आप? अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट ने ऑलमोस्ट पूरी दुनिया को जीत लिया था, उसके बाद भी कुछ कुछ पोर्शंस छूट गए थे, राइट? सो Don't measure success from an external perspective. Measure success from an internal perspective. Because success is internal and the measurement of success is happiness. आप कितने ज़्यादा हैप्पी हो वो प्रूफ करता है आप कितने सक्सेसफुल हो. दिस इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन सक्सेस एंड हैप्पीनेस.
So basically, having a badi gaadi and a bada ghar is not called as success. Success is when you feel happy about what you have. Is it so?
Absolutely. This is the truth of life. हम पहले चल रहे थे, चलते चलते हम टू व्हीलर पे बैठे, टू व्हीलर से अपग्रेड किया और हमने एक मारुति कार खरीद ली. उससे और अपग्रेड हुए तो हमारे पास मर्सिडीज़ आ गई. उससे और अपग्रेड किए तो लैम्बोर्गिनी आ गई. उससे और अपग्रेड करेंगे तो शायद प्राइवेट जेट आ जाएगा. उससे और अपग्रेड करेंगे तो मे बी कोई यॉट आ जाएगा. तो लाइफ तो एंडलेस है. देयर इज़ नो एंड टू इट. बट अगर आप चलते हुए भी खुश थे, टू व्हीलर में भी खुश थे, मारुति में भी खुश थे, लैम्बोर्गिनी में भी खुश थे, प्राइवेट जेट में भी खुश थे, तो फिर आप सक्सेसफुल हो. और अगर आप हर में बैठकर नेक्स्ट के बारे में सोच रहे हो कि अरे ये तो मिल गया लेकिन वो जब मिलेगा तो मैं खुश होंगी, तो आप कभी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाओगे. बिकॉज आप कभी हैप्पी ही नहीं हो पाओगे. सक्सेस तभी अचीव्ड है, हम कह सकते हैं वी हैव अचीव सक्सेस व्हेन इट गिव्स अस हैप्पीनेस. नो हैप्पीनेस, नो सक्सेस.
And that's a wrap for this podcast. Big thank you for ma'am for sharing all the secrets of happiness and success, right? Remember, happiness is success and success is happiness. Let's keep rocking on both. Stay tuned for the next podcast and a cool chats with Sonal ma'am. This is Vidhi, your host, signing off.